Bakit may mga negosyante na ang laki na ng hawak nilang business, patuloy pa rin silang nagtatrabaho? I believe that's a key answer to a basic question. Ang importante ba is pera o importante yung na-fulfill yung potential mo? So, doon pa lang ibig sabihin, kung nag-i-enjoy ka, nadi-discover mo yung kakayanan mo, nag-i-improve ka, nag-i-enjoy ka doon, more than the money, then you will have lots of money and you don't care anymore. And that is what is important. Hindi yung pera, kasi pag ang kasiyahan nasa pera, the person, I believe, will just stop growing. He will just enjoy his money. And that's dangerous kasi it is in growth that we are able to develop our character and skill. It is in facing obstacles and challenges that we improve our character and skill. So, napakahalaga nung yung attitude natin towards money. Kasi kung pera-pera lang, wala lang growth. Pero kung nag-i-enjoy tayo in developing ourselves, improving our capacity, and developing our character and skill, nandoon yung ating focus at nandoon yung ating kasiyahan. Walang tigil ang paglago. Walang hinto yung paglaki ng ating wealth. And it becomes like a source of fulfillment natin is giving to others.